In the past few years, cybercrimes and hacking personal accounts have increased a lot and has created an issue for the users out there. So it is extremely important to create a strong password for your social media accounts. If you are also searching for some tips and tricks on how to generate a strong password for your online account to protect it from getting hacked, then do not worry, as we have got you covered. In this video, we'll be listing down some easy and effective tips following which can help you create a strong and secure password and will also safeguard it from hackers and other malware attacks. So the very first point that you need to keep in mind is that strong password contains a lot of characters. So use as many characters as you can while creating a password. Secondly, it is advised not to use birthdays and anniversary dates as passwords. After this, you'll always have to keep in mind not to use the same password on multiple platforms. If anyone manages to hack one of your accounts, they'll try to use the same password on the other accounts as well. And it will be very easily accessible for them to do so. Never ever use PIN numbers of credit or debit cards as passwords. Do not use phone numbers either. Avoid using names for passwords, particularly name of your parents, siblings, partner or pets, as these are very easy to learn and find out. Do not use keyboard patterns, example QWERTY12345, as it increases the chance of your account getting hacked. Last but not the least, the most basic thing that you need to keep in your mind is to never ever share your password with anyone. We hope these tips and tricks will help you generate a strong password. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.